Okay, my algebra, I decided to finish up my honors review videos before I did part of yours, part of theirs, part of yours, because their test is Tuesday and yours is not till Thursday. So I figured if I waited till Sunday to do the rest of your videos, you can survive. But anyways, factoring. So there's 5 factoring problems on the test. Just separate factoring, and there's one where you got to solve by factoring. But anyways, so let's do it. The first thing you do when you factor is factor out the GCF. Always. If it says factor, try factoring out GCF. So this actually says do GCF, but here I'd factor out the common number, which is 3. So it'd be 2x minus 3. There is not an x in both terms, so not an x to factor out. Here has an x in both terms, so it's part of your GCF. So I'm going to factor out as 6x. 6 is common to both numbers. X is in both, so it'd be x plus 2. Try to do this one by yourself right now. Okay, so 3 goes into all 3 coefficients, and lowest power for x is x. So it'd be 4x 11th plus 3x to the 8th plus t. Now, difference of squares. Whenever you have 2 terms, you always check for the difference of squares. So do I have a square minus a square? Yes. X plus 4, x minus 4, x plus 5, x minus 5, x plus 2, x minus 2. Now, when you're doing trinomials, these 5 are trinomials, it's really based on your last term. So, yeah, okay, let's add one. Oh, well. So, this is plus, so what do you factor to get 9? What do you multiply to get 9 but add to get 6? This is minus. What do you multiply to get 20 but subtract to get 1? So, x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so they're both the same as the middle. And 3 times 3 is 9. It is. And you have the same thing twice. So you write it as a square to make it nice. What do you multiply to get 15 but add to get 8? Well, how about 5 and 3? So it'd be x minus 5, x minus 3. Here, what do you multiply to get 24? But you add to get 11. So it's x minus, x minus, because last term's plus, so both signs are the same as here, and 8 and 3. Now here, last term's minus, so you're subtracting. What do you multiply to get 20, but you subtract to get 1? So that would be x, and x still, but plus and minus. And what do you multiply to get 20 but subtract to get 1? 5 and 4. So the largest one always goes with the middle sign, so it'd be 5, and this would be 4. What do you multiply to get 18 but subtract to get 3? So x and x, last term's minus, so you're subtracting, plus minus. Largest one goes with the middle one, which is plus. And how about 6 and 3? Now this one, yeah, I don't know why this is there, but we need a combination. So we got 2 and 5, so it'll be 2, 1, and 5, 1. We need to group it to add up to 11. So this would be 2x and 1x. It's our only choice. I want the 5 to go with the 2 to get 10. It's outer and it's inner. In plus. Yes. Now, when you have 4 terms, you group them. So do the GCF of the first 2. So A is their GCF, so it'd be 6B minus 7. Common term, we'd factor out a minus, I believe that's 5. It'd be 6B minus 7. Then you factor out the common binomial. So it'd be A minus 5 times 6B minus 7. Okie doke. Now, I think I'm going to stop this video here because I think it's going to be more than 10 minutes, and I don't like to go more than 10 unless I have to. So let's stop her.